Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to unlock chats on WhatsApp in iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on WhatsApp app. Okay, then show your locket chat. Just click. Okay, then this person, tap on, then click on unlock chat, then unlock chat, then face ID, this option no locket chat, then back, this person is unlock. Okay, just click someone, then locket chat, then continue, then lock it, then tap on lock option, then try another, then click, then tap on unlock chat, just normally tap it, then face ID. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.